Hey YouTube, Jason here with DayTradingFearless. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you like and subscribe. And as always, let's jump right into it. So today's another one of my series of free scripts for Thinkorswim that I'm giving away. The link will be down in the description with this chart and the script. And what this script is actually a pretty cool script. I call it the futures cheat sheet. Okay, and what it does is you could change the color essentially, but that's all you can really do with it. But the really cool part about this is so we're looking at the ES, right? It tells you tick size is in quarters, right? The tick value is $12.50 for each tick. One contract is lot shares equivalent to 50 shares of stock, right? Risk in one futures contract, meaning if it went to zero right now, you would have $149,075.00. Still trying to talk today, so. But with that being said, it's really cool, and that's you would lose that much money if it went to zero, but of course it's not going to zero. So if you want to look at crude oil, type in /CL. Okay, and right here, tick value is 0.01 cents. Okay, or size, right? Tick value is $10. So if you were to get long crude oil for every penny up or down, right, that's what it's telling you, is going to be $10. One lot is equivalent to 1,000 shares. The risk is, if it went to zero, 35,500. So let's type in /MES, right? Tick value 0.25, so it moves in quarters, right? Tick value is $1.25. One lot share equivalent to 5 shares, right? If it went to zero, $14,000, so on. Let's look at /YM. Okay, this is the Dow futures. Tick value $5, right? Tick size is 1, so every 1 point move, so 50 to 53, right? Tick value is $5, and so on. You could do this with NQ. You could do this with any futures. So it's a cool little cheat sheet code. 0.25 ticks, right? Tick value $5, so on, 20 shares. And it, like I said, play around with it. If you pull up a stock, okay, here's Apple. Every 0.1 cents is 0.11 share equivalent equals 1 shares. Risk is $338 because that's where we're currently at. So like I said, I hope you like this. I will leave the chart with the script in the chart down below in the link, so you can download it. Again, it's free. Free Thinkorswim Thinkscript code. And I hope you guys enjoy all these little videos with these free Thinkscripts and all that. So until next time, thank you as always for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.